First off, we have mind-controlling devices. So scientists created devices that you can now control using brain power. Take that in. Second, a new way to make fresh water. Scientists found a way to desalinate ocean water and create fresh drinking water out of that. And third, this is the craziest one. Just when you think ChatGPT can't get any smarter, well, guess what? Now scientists found a way to make artificial neurons. That's basically saying artificial brains, so that robots can now sense and feel the world around them. All this and more in the next segments. Stay tuned. First up, let's talk about energy, because everything we do today relies on it. Scientists have just made a major breakthrough in lithium-air batteries. Now, if you haven't heard about that yet, they're basically one of the most promising energy storage technologies out there. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, which rely on heavy, solid electrodes, lithium-air batteries use oxygen in the air and produce energy, making them much lighter and much more efficient because the source is everywhere. But until now, they've had one big problem. They didn't last long enough to be practical. That's where the breakthrough comes in. Researchers have developed a new catalyst that dramatically extends their lifespan while boosting efficiency. Now, what does this mean for us? This discovery could be the key to making longer-lasting, lightweight batteries a reality in everything from consumer electronics to renewable energy storage. So next time your phone dies too soon, remember, there's better days yet to come. Now, let's get ready for some real sci-fi stuff, except it's happening right now. Scientists have developed a brain-computer interface that lets people control devices using nothing but their thoughts. That's right, no hands, no voice commands, just pure brain power. So how does this work? Well, the system reads electrical signals from the brain and translates them to commands. This means that people with paralysis can now control virtual environments, manipulate robotic arms, or even fly a drone just by thinking about it. And this is just the beginning. Imagine being able to type out messages, control smart home devices, or even play video games without lifting a finger. For millions of people with disabilities, this could be life-changing, offering a level of independence that was once thought impossible. And let's be real, we're talking about future where humans and machines are more connected than ever. The possibilities, endless. Now, speaking of future, let's talk robots, because they're about to get a whole lot smarter. Scientists have just developed artificial neurons that can process sensory information just like our brains do. Now, that might not sound like a big deal at first, but trust me, it is. Here's why. Robots today rely on pre-programmed responses. They can follow instructions, recognize patterns, and even respond to stimuli. But they don't actually feel anything the way we humans feel. These new artificial neurons mimic the way our nervous system processes touch, pressure, and temperature. That means we're one step closer to creating robots with a human-like sense of touch. Robots that can handle fragile objects with care, assist in delicate surgeries, or even react to their own environment in real time. Finally, let's talk about something we all need: water. Right now, over 2 billion people worldwide struggle to get clean drinking water. Desalination, removing salt from seawater, has always been one solution, but it comes with a problem. It's expensive, inefficient, and it results in contaminants being left behind. But here's the good news. Scientists have developed a new filtration system that removes harmful substances from desalinated water more efficiently, using fewer chemicals and at much lower cost. This breakthrough could make clean, drinkable water more accessible without heavy environmental impact. Why does this matter? Well, with climate change and growing water shortages, if we can make seawater safe to drink in an affordable and sustainable way, we're looking at a solution that could help entire communities survive and thrive. The future of water security just got a
whole lot brighter.
Well, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to take a little bit of time to say thank you, not only for this one, but for all the views that I got on the last one. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and tune in next time for a documentary that I'm sure you guys will enjoy. Thank you.